Martin, you mentioned James Taylor the other day.
Yeah, I love his.
Okay, well here's a song by him. It's called Fire and Rain.
Oh, nice.
And he wrote this for a friend that had some hard times, and she passed. And it was a tribute to her. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who sent it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Down upon me, Jesus, you got to help me make a stand. Just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I just won't make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. To an easy time, my back turned toward the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines on pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. That I'd see you one more time again. Just a few things coming my way each time around, and now I see you